Here in the Philippines, if you say chunky big watches, chances are a lot of people will point you to this. This is TW Steel. They have been marketing aggressively locally, and chances are a lot of people associate chunky big watches with them. However, in my search for really good, affordable, chunky watches, I ended up with a piece from Orient. And that's amazing because a lot of you have been banging up the comment section, asking me to feature a watch from Orient. And that's what I have here. So this is the Orient Mako XL in black and in orange. You guys know I absolutely love black and orange. This is my current watch, which is the G-Shock Mudmaster in black and orange with that carbon case, which makes it look even more kick-ass. And in today's episode, I just want to unbox it, share it with you, and let's take a closer look at the watch. By the way, my name is Carlo, and if you don't know me, my primary channel is all about sneakers and tech, has almost 700,000 subscribers. This is my dedicated watch vlog where I share with you my noob beginner journey on watches. Let's go. Now, I bought this for 6,000 pesos. That's 120 US, pre-owned, pre-loved, and I was expecting it to come in a pretty bad box given the price. But it actually came in this. Looks really nice. Some sort of like steel plate at the top with the logo of Orient. Nice black, I don't know if it's like leather or carton. And then if you pop it open, ba-bam, this is the watch. The Orient Mako XL originally came in this steel bracelet over here. But I did swap it out because every time I buy pre-loved or second-hand watches, I have a habit of buying new straps for them because you don't know how long it was used by the previous owner. And since I was buying a new strap, I ended up getting this really nice black and orange strap. Looks some sort of like carbon upper, and then you have that orange accent running along the sides. Also sweat resistant and water resistant, so it gives it a bit more of a sporty casual vibe. And I was mentioning that it was a chunky watch, and if I remember correctly, it's like 44.5 millimeters in terms of diameter without the crown, and it's around 13 millimeters tall. So it sits well on the wrists of people like me who prefer chunky watches. So watches that are usually in the 42 and up millimeters range. And that's why I ended up with this one. I prefer to wear bigger watches. I do have slightly bigger wrist. I haven't measured my wrist. I think I should, just to give you guys context, and you can measure yours. I'll do that in the next episode. But yeah, I absolutely love this one. And there are 3 reasons why I love this piece. But the primary reason is that it's just 6,000 pesos. That's like number 1 at the very top. And with that, here are like the 3 things I love the most about it. Number 1 is all about the color combination. I mentioned to you guys that I love black and orange. That's the color of my G-Shock. I have a Seiko in black and orange. I'm looking into buying an Omega Seamaster, I think Planet Ocean something, that's like black and orange. It is my favorite color combination. I have shoes that are in black and orange, and this one just immediately spoke to me. I love how the orange is on the bezel. It has some sort of like car paint effect which just shines brilliantly. You know, there's that glimmer of premiumness. Doesn't look like it's 6,000 pesos. And I just love how dark and deep the black is on the dial. The contrast is just striking, and that's the reason why I love it. And it also registers well on camera. If you're a vlogger and you're on YouTube and you wear watches like this, kinda, it's not too subtle, and it pops a little bit in your outfit. The second thing I love about it is the features, especially for the price point. It's already an automatic movement watch, so you move it around to jumpstart it. No need for batteries. Please do take note that the screw-down crown does not wind the watch, so some people criticize that. So you just have to take that into consideration. I don't mind. I mean, come on, it's 6,000 pesos. It's an entry-level watch. You can't expect the very best features to be in it, right? I mean, I'm thankful for the fact that it is automatic and it is big and it looks nice already for the price point. The second thing I love about it is that it has a date over here. If you take a look over there, and you can actually control the date by clicking this button over here just on top of the screw down crown. And the third reason why I love the watch is that if you take everything considered, from the price that you paid to the features that you get to the vibe that you get with the look and the style, it's an amazing option as an everyday like banger watch, you know, watch that you just beat up and wear. So this is a piece that over time will get dings, will get scratches, but it's something that I don't mind considering the fact that it costs 6,000 pesos. So if you are looking for like an entry-level timepiece watch with striking color combinations, this one is in the orange and black. I know there's a blue version, there's a lume version, there are multiple versions of the Mako XL. You might want to check this out. I just feel that there's so much value to be had in having a watch like this, especially if you are getting into watches for the first time and you were probably thinking of getting like a TW Steel. I think that while this is an awesome watch, it's a great brand, it is kind of expensive. I think they sell for like over 12, 13, 14, 15 to 20,000 pesos, and people primarily get them because they are chunky. You can go for this. I mean, automatic, looks stunning, great features, amazing build, and man, just so much value. By the way, apart from being the first Orient watch featured on my channel, this is the very first Orient watch I've ever owned, and I'm really thrilled that the first Orient watch that I get to own is something that I really like and matches my personality, my style, and my love for black and orange colors. So again, guys, if you're looking for watches, if you're looking for chunky watches, you might want to consider this one. I'm not sure if they're still selling it locally. I think this came out like several years back. So if you are looking for it pre-loved, you might want to check out Carousel, you might want to check out Facebook, you might want to check out different groups, watch groups that sell pre-loved, pre-owned watches, and you should be able to find a good deal sitting there. And with that said, that wraps up my watch vlog for today. I hope you guys enjoyed. As usual, this is Carlo signing out. Peace, God bless. What's up? Boom.